Did you know that every minute 4 people get hired on LinkedIn? Every minute. Do you want to be one of them? In this video, I'll share 6 settings which you should change immediately on your LinkedIn profile to maximize your chances of getting hired because of LinkedIn. Okay, so watch this video till the end and then immediately implement these strategies on your LinkedIn profile. First, I would like you to subscribe to my channel because I am posting job search and career advancement related videos every week. Just hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button. I don't want you to miss any of my future videos. Now, in this video, let's look at 6 LinkedIn settings. Here, I'm assuming that you already have a solid LinkedIn profile. If your LinkedIn profile is not complete, your LinkedIn profile is not all star, I'll be putting couple of links in the description below of my YouTube video and a LinkedIn checklist. Do check those out after this video. Make sure you have complete LinkedIn profile and also change the settings which I'm going to show you in this video. After this, your chances of recruiter finding you on LinkedIn, or if they see your LinkedIn profile from your resume, they'll get super impressed. So your chances of getting a job multiplies if you implement all these things. Now let's see one by one all the settings. Now the first setting, so go to your profile, go to settings and privacy. Now here you will see name, location and industry. You click on change. Yeah. Now make sure your city is correct. Many times what I've seen, people shift their location and they don't update their LinkedIn profile. Or today you are somewhere in your hometown because of pandemic situation, or you're working from home in a small town, but make sure you put the largest city nearest to you in this. Why? Because when employers, recruiters are going to search on the recruiter's login of LinkedIn, they are going to put one of the topmost or largest cities, right? And that's where they will be able to find you. So make sure your location settings are very important because location preference, location filter is maximum used by recruiters. So make sure you have this ready. Now, again go back to settings and privacy. Now go down and here check this. Now make sure this people also viewed is no for you. Okay, default is yes. It should be no for you. I'll show you what happens when it is yes. Okay, so we'll go back to LinkedIn. Go back to profile and see what happens. There, suppose a recruiter is on your profile and there they also see people also viewed. So generally what you will see, they are also seeing people in similar niche, people in similar sector and role. Okay, so they don't, I mean, you don't want them to see your competitors. Am I right? So make sure this setting is turned off. I'll go back. People also viewed should be turned off for your LinkedIn profile. Okay, naturally or by default is on. So make sure you have done this. Next is you go to visibility on the left. There you will be able to do this. Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. See, share profile updates with your network. Make sure you have no here. Why? Because during job search and when you will be watching my YouTube videos on LinkedIn profile, you will be or you should be making changes to your LinkedIn profile. You should be adding experience, you should be adding certification. For every update, LinkedIn puts it as a post to your entire network. You don't want that to happen, right? And you will actually, your current employer, current boss will also find that out that you are changing your LinkedIn profile. You don't want that to happen. So make sure this setting is no. So if you have your profile updated, your network will not find that out in their feed. Of course, they will find or they will get the updated profile when they visit your profile, but they will not get this in their feed. Otherwise they will get it like a post. Harshad has changed his experience recently, and you will they will start liking that, commenting that. So you don't want that to happen, especially when you are in job search. If you have made a major profile update, you can make it on and keep that section on, but generally I would recommend you to make this profile update off. Now, the next thing is, the next setting you should make sure you have it right on your LinkedIn is go to profile. Now here, this is the fourth setting you should change. You should edit your public profile URL. So go to edit your custom URL. Now here by default, LinkedIn gives you that crappy URL, right? Like Harshad Bhagwat 0ZZPP or something like this. See, you don't want that to appear on your resume, right? It doesn't look professional and it doesn't look neat. So what LinkedIn allows you to change your profile. So of course you will not be able to put very straight profile. Like I couldn't get Harshad Bhagwat, so I put Harshad HB. So keep some profile URL closer to your name. Okay, name and surname. That's it. Do not put your company name. Maximum you can put your role. Let's say one of my student put PMP because he was in project management. That much is fine, but take it closest available to your name and surname. So this way you will get a neat public URL, and this URL you will put on your resume. Now, when you put it on your resume or you put it in your email signature, for example, when you're writing that cover letter to the employer and recruiter, they're going to click on it. Meaning, it's a big chance that they might not be logged in on LinkedIn at the same time. So they click on, for example, they click on mobile and they are not logged into LinkedIn. So they will see what is called as public profile. Means when the people are not logged into LinkedIn, what they see is a public profile. So now here you will be able to see its visibility. So make sure it is turned on. Otherwise, they'll not be able to see your public profile. And make sure many of these settings, let's say background photo at least, headline, summary, experience, past experience, at least most of the settings are turned on. Otherwise, again, they'll not be able to see these most critical things on your resume, on your LinkedIn profile. So make sure you have turned this on, and later, see, right now what you're seeing is also public profile. Or what you can do, you can take this link, go to incognito window on Chrome browser, which means that you will not be logged in on that window. Use this public profile and see how your public profile looks. It's very important when someone visits your profile, they get that right impression, right? So this is my fifth LinkedIn setting to make sure you have set it right. Now the sixth one. So go back to your profile. Now here, LinkedIn gives you an option called as open to work, right? Many of you get this wrong here. See, I'll say open to finding a new job. Now here, what I would like you to do is, see, of course, my thing is not complete because I'm not seeking job, but I would like you to put your most suitable job titles. Search on job portals and put your current job title and the kind of job titles you would be willing to work for or you are perfect for. So put 3 4 job titles here. For example, let's say project manager, and LinkedIn gives you options for that as well. Okay, so make sure you have job titles. Next is put your preferences, workplaces, job locations. If you are okay with Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, put all those. Start date, are you looking for immediately or you're flexible, you still have some time, full time, contract, whatever. And now here it is. My recommendation is you put recruiters only. Do not select all LinkedIn members. What happens if you select that? You get that green thing, green band on your profile photo. I wouldn't recommend you doing that. It looks too needy. Your entire network looks at it, and recruiters find that, oh, I mean, you're not getting a job. That's why you're too needy to put this all across. What you can do, and actually, your current employer will also find that out. So, what you can do, you can put this on recruiters only. So, only the recruiters using LinkedIn recruiter login will be able to find that out that you're open to work. Okay, so I have shown you 6 LinkedIn settings you should change immediately. So I just go to your LinkedIn profile right now, change these settings, and improve and multiply your chances of getting a job through LinkedIn. All right, so make sure you have hit that like button below this video. If you have any further questions, do comment below the video. I'll be personally answering all those questions. Do subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye bye.